Hello and welcome everyone to a new video in your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to turn on restricted mode on YouTube on your mobile application. So let's get started. We go and open the YouTube app. And after opening the YouTube app, you just need to click on your picture in the top right of the screen. And after that, you need to go and click on Settings. After clicking on Settings, just click on General, the first option. And after that, as you can see, in the bottom of the screen, as you can see, Restricted Mode. And the restricted mode is a mode that helps hide potentially mature videos, and you should know that this filter is not 100% accurate. Okay, so if you want to activate it, just click on the gray dot and it will become blue. Like this, you activated the restricted mode. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and see you in the next video.